My stepson and I farm around a little under 1,100 acres of crop ground, of corn and soybeans, and we have some CRP ground, and we try to keep conservation right at the upper end of our thoughts and everything we do. We have grassed waterways, no-till every single acre, corn and soybeans both. Seed cover crops just immediately after we harvest the corn or the soybeans. We have a drill going, so we're drilling all our cover crops. We have something growing in that ground nearly 12 months out of the year. There's that little gap where there isn't, but for the most part we try to keep something on the ground, soil, to protect the soil year long. We're standing right on a bioreactor that we put in 2014, and it attaches itself to those nitrate particles and takes them out of the water. And so over the 6 years I've had this, it's taken out about 70%. And so clean, or lots cleaner water, goes out the other end, back into the tile, and then ends up in the creeks and the rivers downstream. Those are a lot of things we're doing for conservation. Just try to keep the soil where it is and keep the nitrates, the nutrients in the soil instead of in the tile water.